Hello everybody, how are you? I am Mohammed Ahmed and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we will be discussing question. So let's get on the question. Our today's question is, what should parents do to promote child safety in the home? Option 1, attach the baby's pacifier. Option 2, a ribbon so that it does not fall on the floor. Option 2, give a 2-year-old whole grapes instead of popcorn for a snack. Option 3, store firearms unloaded and out of sight in a location too high for the child to reach. Option 4, install window guards. Never leave a window with wide open. The correct answer of the question, answer 4, install window guards. Never leave a window wide open. So that's the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.